What is Icon software? Icon software refers to a suite of financial analysis tools and software provided by Refinitiv, which is now a part of the London Stock Exchange Group. Icon offers a wide range of financial data, analytics, news, and trading capabilities for professionals in the finance and investment industries. It's commonly used by traders, analysts, and other financial professionals to access real-time market data, conduct in-depth financial analysis, and make informed investment decisions. How to use? Using Icon software typically involves several steps. Login. Start by logging into the Icon platform using your username and password. Navigation. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the layout and navigation of the software. The interface is usually divided into different sections for market data, news, analysis tools, and trading functionalities. Market data. Explore the market data section to access real-time or delayed quotes for various financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, and indices. You can customize watch lists to track specific assets or sectors. Analysis tools. Utilize the analysis tools provided by Icon to perform in-depth financial analysis. This may include charting tools, technical analysis indicators, fundamental data, financial ratios, and screening tools to identify potential investment opportunities. News and insights. Stay updated with the latest financial news, market trends, and insights. Icon often provides news feeds from reputable sources, along with analysis and commentary from experts in the financial industry. Trading. If you have trading capabilities enabled, you can execute trades directly from the Icon platform. This may involve accessing trading platforms, order placement, order management, and monitoring your portfolio's performance. Customization. Customize the Icon interface to suit your preferences and workflow. You can save customized layouts, create personalized alerts for price movements or news events, and set up notifications for important market updates. Training and support. Take advantage of training resources and customer support provided by Refinitiv or the platform's administrators. This can help you maximize your use of Icon's features and address any technical or functional questions you may have. By following these steps and actively exploring the various features offered by Icon, you can effectively use the software for financial analysis, decision-making, and trading activities. Application of Icon. Icon software finds application across various domains within the finance and investment industries. Here are some common uses. Market analysis. Professionals use Icon for market analysis, including tracking real-time and historical market data, identifying trends, and conducting technical and fundamental analysis of financial instruments like stocks, bonds, commodities, and currencies. Investment research. Icon aids in investment research by providing access to a wide range of financial data, news, and insights. Analysts use the platform to evaluate investment opportunities, assess risks, and make informed investment recommendations. Risk management. Financial institutions and traders use Icon for risk management purposes. The platform offers risk assessment tools, volatility analysis, scenario modeling, and portfolio management capabilities to help manage and mitigate financial risks. Trading. Icon supports trading activities by providing access to trading platforms, order management systems, and execution capabilities. Traders can execute trades, monitor market movements, and manage their portfolios directly within the Icon environment. Compliance and regulation. Icon assists organizations in complying with regulatory requirements and staying updated on market regulations. It offers compliance monitoring tools, regulatory news alerts, and data governance features to ensure adherence to legal and regulatory standards. Financial reporting. companies use Icon for financial reporting and analysis purposes. The platform enables users to access financial statements, perform financial ratio analysis, and generate customized reports for internal and external stakeholders. Corporate finance. Icon supports corporate finance activities such as mergers and acquisitions, corporate restructuring, and capital raising. Professionals use the platform to evaluate potential deals, analyze market trends, and assess the financial health of companies. Wealth management. Wealth managers and financial advisors utilize Icon to provide personalized investment advice, portfolio management services, and wealth planning solutions to their clients. The platform helps in assessing client portfolios, monitoring performance, and making investment recommendations. Overall, Icon's applications span across research, analysis, trading, risk management, compliance, reporting, and wealth management functions, making it a versatile tool for professionals in the finance industry.